Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today we will introduce our project which focuses on analyzing occupational accident data using a data science approach. We will briefly explain who we are, our goal and the structure of our study. Next slide please. This project was prepared for the course EEE 205 Introduction to Data Science with Python under the supervision of Professor Dr. Devrim Ünay. The submission date of this project is December 21, 2025. Throughout this project, we applied data science concepts and tools that we learned during the course. Next slide, please. On this slide, you can see our group name, our goal, and our team members. Our main goal is to analyze occupational accident data systematically and extract meaningful insights that can support workplace safety improvements. Our group name is DataMinds. These names reflect our focus on analytical thinking and data-driven problem solving. As a team, we aim to combine technical knowledge with real-world occupational safety data. The goal of this project is to analyze occupational accident data using data-driven approach. By categorizing accidents according to sector, severity, and risk factors, we aim to identify high-risk areas and support preventive decision-making in occupational safety. Next slide, please. This slide shows the structure of our presentation. We will cover data types, example graphs, technical methods we used, our data analysis process, the risky sectors, and our conclusions. We will also briefly talk about what these projects contributed to us. Thank you.
Thank you, Berfin. Here are some of the industries we covered in our project. Food industry, textile industry, construction industry, chemistry industry, paper packaging industry, automotive, machine, and energy industry. Next slide, please. We categorize the data into specific groups, each as injured person's age range, job position, type of insurance, etc. Here is a part of our code, and you can look at the explanation of the acronyms. By grouping the data this way, we can further deepen the project. Thank you.
Thank you, Görkem. My name is Cem. I will talk about the technical methods we use in this project. We used Python, Pandas, and Excel in this project. Here are example images of the code we used. As you can see in this code, we define pandas as PD like, import pandas as PD. Then we insert the file like dosya equals to file name. If you look at other code, we are entering the data frame code. Data frame code allows us to enter code in a table format. So with this code, we are adding our data to Excel. Now I will explain the steps we allowed in the data collection process. Next slide, please. Firstly, we explored the data. Secondly, we confirmed their accuracy. Thirdly, we categorized the data. After, we eliminated candidates from the categories. After that, we coded the classifications internally. Finally, we classified the data under its own heading. Thank you. Now we move on, Hasan.
Okay, thank you for your presentation. Now we're gonna talk about the number of the registrations. In this slides, we can see the number of the registrations in dataset. Each registration represents the one recorded occupational accident. This number shows the overall size of our dataset and forms the basis of all further analysis. unit. Instead of focusing on the individual cases, we analyze the general patterns within this dataset. As you can see, a higher number of registrations increases the reliability of our results and allows us to make more meaningful comparisons. This one is the risk score of histogram. This histogram shows the distribution of risk scores in our dataset. The risk score reflects the overall dangerous level of the accidents by combining multiple factors. Most accidents are concerned in lower and medium risk range, but high risk cases are clearly visible. This helps us understand not only how many accidents occurred, but how risky they were. This is so important. In this slide, we compare the average risk scores across the different sectors. This analysis is important because some sectors may have fewer accidents but higher risk levels. For example, energy sectors, chemistry sectors, textile sectors, as you can see, 80 and between 80 and 100. Risk-based analysis allows us to prioritize sectors more effectively. We're gonna talk about the injury severity. These slides focus on the injury severity levels resulting from occupational accidents. The injuries are classified into different severity categories. While many cases result in minor injuries, severe and fatal injuries still represent a critical issue. Görkem was explained the H, O, OL, and A. As you can see, H is 40 and between 40 and 35. Next slide. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the importance of data-driven analysis in occupational safety. We learn how to collect, classify, and analyze the real-world data. The results show that the risk-based evaluation provides a deeper insight than simple accident count. Contribution as this project contributed to our technical and analytical skills. We improved our understanding of data analysis, teamwork, and real-world problem solution. It also increased our awareness of occupational health and safety issues. Our references. This slide presents the references used in our study. We used official institutions and publicly available dataset to ensure data reliability. You can, as you can see, İSİK Meclisi, İşkur, sgk.gov.tr. You can see. Thank you for your attention. We will be happy to answer the question regarding our project. Now we're gonna talk about our code. Now, first, I will briefly explain the data entry and this calculation script. This script, as you can see, this script collects the occupational accident data using predefined menus instead of free text. This approach helps reduce the input errors and keeps the data consistent. Those are the menus, sektörler, sektör katsayısı, positions, insurance kinds. Key logics in the script is the OCH violation check. If there is no safety violation, accident-related questions are skipped. If a violation exists, the script collects the accident details such as cause, severity, and count. Instead of entering the individuals one by one, we enter the total number of the injured and decreased workers. Finally, The script automatically calculates the risk score and safety writes the data to Excel. We're gonna check out, as you can see, example numbers like Alia, the textile sectors and operators. Number two, gender is man. No insure, yes, insurers. The second, like 2023. Those are the Görkem was explained and uh, like the those are the okay. Uh, this said it made me say like this one. Um, those are data set or help us to our code like the you can see the show and we had our code this one. Now I will show the analysis script. This script reads to Excel file generated by the data entry program. It checks the dataset structure and summarizes all variables. It then calculates the total injuries, casualties, and average risk scores. These scores are compared to across sector and positions. Finally, numerical results are visuals using graphs. All results shown in the presentation are generated by this script. Uh, I'm gonna check out. Yeah, uh, those are the graphs and resultings. This one, yeah. As you can see, our graphs we shown in the figure presentation, and the other one you can see. Okay. Thank you for listening.